Just one? There you go. God bless you. Have a good day. Oh, yes.
You don't possibly have a cell phone that I could use, do you?
For what purpose?
To call my ride. I have no idea where she is.
What is the number?
309. Thank you. I appreciate it. I don't know what happened. Where are you? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Are they far away?
No, she said she's on her way. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'd be happy to. You seem a little upset. None of my business, of course, but you just seem a little shaky. So I'm more than willing to wait for you until your ride arrives. Sure. My name's Tony, by the way.
Kathryn.
Hi, Kathryn.
I had a charge from a couple of years ago. I live with my 3 kids and my 87-year-old grandma.
Oh.
And I was supposed to get a bunch of paperwork to tell me what I needed to do afterwards. And
Yeah.
my grandma's really bad about, she'll get the mail and just kind of shove it.
Oh.
And so now it's been, and they were revoking my terms of my probation. And I actually went in and did the stuff I was supposed to do the last time. And the lady at the company left the company this week, and they have no record that I actually went in and did it. And so they were gonna throw me in jail for the weekend, and my 2 older kids have homecoming. And I have a new appointment next week.
Oh, good.
But they're making me still come and do 2 days in jail. And
Yeah.
I am the only provider of anything for the whole family, and I homeschool my oldest.
Do you? Have they told you when those 2 days will be, and will they be consecutive or one
Monday.
day? So this coming Monday you'll go for 2 days.
Yeah. I really tried to get everything done, and the lady my daughter actually, the last time I heard from the counselor, she was supposed to be helping set up teleconference for the appointments, because I was in the emergency room with my daughter for a suicide attempt just a couple months ago, and then I never heard back from the lady.
Yeah. I'm sorry, your first name again?
Kathryn.
Kathryn. Well, certainly the judge took into account some of this because he didn't put you in custody today, right? So was there an indication of how much time you were looking at? Was it beyond 2 days?
I think it was 6 months.
Oh.
They completely revoked it.
That's not at all suggest that 2 days isn't hard.
Right.
And that's not going to be... do you have any particular spiritual beliefs, Kathryn?
I was raised Catholic.
Yeah. What does that mean to you today, though?
I've kind of fallen away from it a lot over the last few years.
Yeah.
They went through a really bad divorce.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. So, I served as a deputy sheriff for some 20 years. I spent a lot of time in courtrooms. I saw the system work. I saw the system didn't work. Saw a lot of people like yourself who honestly trying to do the same thing, and there's a slip up here or a slip up there, or grandma misplacing the mail, and judges hear that, and a lot of times they don't believe any of that because it's just like the dog ate my homework. But then there are times, like what I think you experienced today, where the judge says, you know what, there's truth. There's truth to what this young woman's saying to me. But there's nothing comfortable about being in an environment like this. So Kathryn, what if today? So if they completely revoked your probation, it would be the sentence would be 6 months. Okay. What if the judge decided, you know what? I've heard these stories before. I don't want to hear it again. Kathryn, you're going to jail for 6 months. No time to get your affairs in order. You're going right now. And someone stands up in the courtroom and says, Your Honor, I really don't have any relationship to this lady. She doesn't know me at all. I would like to serve her sentence. Now the judge thinks about that. He thinks it's ridiculous. People start laughing in the courtroom. And the judge asks, are you serious about that? I said, yes, again, she doesn't know me. We have no kind of arrangement. She's not paying me. She's not doing anything. She hasn't asked me to do this. She's not doing anything for me in this regard. I want to show Kathryn love, and I'm going to go do her 6 months. The judge accepts that. The court is blown away. The courtroom is blown away. You are. You can't believe that this person that you didn't know does this for you.
There's my grandma right there.
Do you have just 1 or 2 more minutes?
Yeah.
And everyone's blown away about what happened. And the reporters are out here to talk to you instead of talk to everybody about this horrific trial that went on. And they say, Kathryn, what do you think about that? I said, well, it was really nice that he did it, but it's not really going to have any impact on my life. I'm not really going to change anything. I didn't ask for it, so I mean, people would probably see you as ungrateful, right? So what I just painted a picture for you, Kathryn, is what's actually available to you today. God the Father sent his Son to earth in the person of Jesus Christ, truly God, truly man, and without sin. He lived a perfect life. Oh, forgive me, I'm sorry. Forgive me for that. No, it's all quite all right. He lived a perfect life from cradle to grave that you and I can't live. And then, for no other reason than for love for the people that he chose to save, he voluntarily goes to a cross. He dies a death he didn't deserve to take upon himself the punishment we deserve. And we're set free, not because we're innocent. Even through all of these glitches, there's still not innocence in this. There's honest mistakes, but whatever it was that got you to this point wasn't innocence, right? Jesus dies that death on the cross, not because we're innocent, not because we're good, but because God the Father chose to sacrifice his own Son on behalf of sinners like us. And if we will put our faith and our trust in him alone for our salvation, he'll forgive our sin. We'll be reconciled to him, and we'll be assured of eternal life, not because we're good, but because of the goodness of God that would allow his Son to die for sinners. So in light of what you experienced today, give that some thought. Do you have a Bible?
I do.
You do? I appreciate your time, Kathryn. I'm going to be praying for you today, and I hope things work out for you. All right. God bless you. Have a great day.